Is something broken in your rental? No need to take the time to drive over to check it out. Your tenant will create a maintenance request through their account to report the problem. Or you can create a request yourself in a few short steps. Select the category, subcategory, define the problem, upload a picture or a video, and add some extra description if needed. Select the property and request priority. Now you can easily assign a service professional to the task, add the tenant's information for easy entry, track materials used, assign equipment, and check all of the transactions associated with the request. You'll get a notification when the problem is resolved. That's it. Everything is under your control, yet simple and requires minimal involvement.